Everyone knows the really obvious AI filmmaking tools like Seedance, Google OmniFlash, VO3, Happy Horse, and all of these great video models. But what about the tools nobody is really talking about, that aren't famous but extremely powerful?
Are you tired of using those same old tools?
Somehow, only a handful of people know about these tools. It's probably because everyone is trying to create everything with just one tool, like Seedance. But the truth is, you need a couple of tools in your AI filmmaking toolkit to really make high-quality films. And with the tools I'm going to show you, you can do amazing stuff. You can create ultra-realistic background replacements and change light completely in your videos. Or you can create ultra-realistic cinematic characters that don't look AI-ish. And a lot more. I'm Simon, I'm a full-time AI filmmaker and director, and I create real commercials and films for brands, and I show you how you can do this too. So let's dive into my top 5 secret AI tools that I use in July 2026. I can't believe that nobody talks about SwitchX from Beeble. This is actually one of my favorite tools that I really enjoy using the most when it comes to hybrid productions. As I am really bad in traditional VFX like After Effects or Fusion, I am enjoying AI VFX so much. It's super simple. You just drag your video in, a keyframe where you made the changes, and SwitchX automatically adapts it to all of the frames in your video. But there's more. You can do green screen replacements with it, but you can also use it to totally change the lighting or retouch your footage. It's also very inspiring to just scroll through the Explore section to see how you can use the tool. So SwitchX is actually a huge game changer. If you have been following my channel for the last weeks, you probably know I use Sora for the start frame generation.
What is a start frame?
A start frame means that you use it as the start keyframe of a video.
It is much more realistic than standard image models. I also use Sora to create highly realistic characters. I put a base prompt in the description below that you can use to generate your own. You just select the regular Sora model, which is cheaper than the advanced version. And then you set the duration to 4 seconds, as that is the minimum limit. You paste the prompt and click generate. And once the video is generated, import it into your editing software. I use DaVinci Resolve, but you can use whatever tool you want. From there, you just grab a clean screenshot of the character you want and upscale it. It's a simple trick, and I highly recommend trying it. One of the most underrated tools out there is fal.ai. It's an API aggregator, which means it gives you access to every AI model in existence. Instead of managing hundreds of different subscriptions and API keys for different companies, you get access to everything in one dashboard. And I mean everything.
How many models are on FAL? Well, over 1,000. What?
I go to the Explore page and look at the recently added section to see what new models developers have just uploaded. And this is incredibly useful because companies or open source creators put their models on FAL hours after they launch. So you don't need to rent an expensive GPU or set up local coding environments to try them. You can just test them right away in their web-based playground by dragging and dropping your footage to see if the quality fits your standards. It's the fastest way to discover and test new tech, so huge recommendation from me. sync.so is my favorite tool for lip syncing because it preserves the original actor's face and performance. It's easy as this. You just upload an MP4 of your actor, add an audio file to the new dialogue, click sync, and the tool's output is a high-resolution video where the lip movement matches the audio perfectly.
Look at this beautiful banana. Look at this beautiful pineapple.
So actually, that's pretty insane. Seed Audio is an audio tool similar to how Nano Banana works for photo. Seed Audio works for audio, and it is my favorite tool for fixing dialogue mistakes.
Come on, can you just say the goddamn line? Please, just say the goddamn phrase.
When a client requests a minor script change after your voice actor has left the studio, you don't want to re-record the entire session. For example, if your voiceover says,
"I would love to go to Paris one day,"
the tool generates the new audio and blends it into the original track.
and pizza with pineapple is just so good.
This keeps the original microphone quality, room acoustics, and voice tone intact without starting over again. one. There are so many more use cases of what you can do with Seed Audio, and I highly recommend checking it out. So let me know in the comments which of these tools you want to see a full workflow tutorial on first. I put the links of all of them in the description below, along with the Sora character prompt. If you found this any helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the video next week. Thanks for watching.